Hey guys, it's Angelo, Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching my podcast, Real Estate Insider. Today we're talking about how to make money with real estate. And that's something I know very well about with lending. I've been in the lending game for over 2 decades and help people to make millions of dollars and help my company to make millions of dollars and help the banks that I work with make millions of dollars. And so I can actually talk about this because I do this on a daily basis. And I've taught a lot of people how to make 6 and 7 figures with lending as a loan officer. So today that's what the topic is, and we actually built a real estate university. If you're looking to master lending, you want to become a top producer with real estate and become a top producing high volume loan officer, then this podcast, this message is for you guys out there. And so if you want more information too, we actually have a real estate university. You can click on the links below to get signed up to get more information about our real estate university. And I actually have a book called The King of Real Estate, and you can click on the link below to actually download a copy of that book. I wrote that book for you if you want to learn how to become a king in your world. Maybe you're in, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Maybe you can become the king of Tulsa, Oklahoma for lending or real estate. Or maybe you're in San Diego. Maybe you want to become the king in your area. Get a copy of that book. It's for free. But this is a simple first step for beginners on how to make $10,000 a month as a loan officer. So it's a very simple formula. The first step that I highly encourage you to do is sign up for Real Estate University. Okay, it's normally $200 a month. We have a special right now. It's only $49 a month. There's no contracts. You don't have to pay anything up front. You can cancel anytime. And maybe you can come work for me one day after you graduate if you're good enough, or maybe go work for another bank or a mortgage company. Read the book too. Go sign up for someone else's course. Study other people. Study as much as you can. Not just my stuff. Go learn from the best people. But lending's an awesome, industry because credit is $1 trillion industry, and it's never going away. And we do all kinds of loans: commercial, hard money, private loans, FHA, VA, USDA, nationwide, even on international. So, and we can go from loans from $200,000 all the way up to $1 billion loan. You can help the billionaire financier, or you can help the first-time buyer or the military veteran. So there's a lot of opportunity. People always want money. Real estate's never going to go away. So that's why we're in the game, and it's uncapped income. You can make it as big as you want or as little as you want. You can do it all from your phone. Okay, you don't need to have a big, huge office and all this stuff. You can just do everything right from your phone. And if you work for a great company, everything's mobile now. You can just do everything. Like for our bank, you can just do it all through this phone. So it makes it really, really cool. You could be on vacation and close a deal. You could be at dinner with your wife and close a deal. But the bottom line is, this is a simple process: how to make $10,000 a month. And that's the first goal for most people, is how do I get to the first step? This is it right here, okay? And this is as a loan officer. This is not a realtor. This is you being a loan officer. So we say this: the biggest thing we talk about is power hour. Okay, what is power hour? That's like when you're a fisherman and you go out to the sea every day to go fishing. So for 2 hours a day, you're gonna be on the phone or making appointments, meeting with customers, customer contact, either belly to belly or on the phone, trying to call 100 people, as many people as you can. Your goal is to get 5 applications. I want 5 applications. If I talk to 5, now that doesn't mean you're talking to 5 people. That means you've taken 5 apps on people. You probably had to talk to 20 or 30 people if you're doing phone sales. If you're meeting people, you had 5 appointments, you had 5 applications, and from that you should be able to close 1 deal. Okay, and the average deal is going to be, in real estate on lending, is going to be worth $2,000. Just to say that's an average. Now some are worth $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, $1,000, but we're just using averages to make things very simple. So you did your power hour every single day, Monday through Friday, and you took 5 apps and you got 1 deal out of that, and then you close 1 loan, you get $2,000. Now what I'm telling you is, if you close 5 deals a month, you're going to make $10,000 a month. Okay, so that's the thing. How do you make $10,000 a month? And the numbers they're infinitely scalable, meaning that you could close 10 deals a month. Then therefore you'd make $20,000 a month. If you close 50 deals a month, then how much would you make? Then you'd make $50,000 a month. So it's infinite to what you can do, and how big your team is, and everything that you have going on, and your customer base and your demand. But just to start in the beginning, because you have to start small. I believe you have to start small to learn something. You take 5 applications a day and you close 1 deal. And it's very easy to close 1 deal, okay? But you want to close 5 deals a month, and if each one's worth $2,000, then you make $10,000. and you make $120,000 a year. This is the simple formula. So the first thing is to get Real Estate University, download a copy of that, sign up right away, get a copy of King of Real Estate, that's step 2. Step 3, follow this process to originate, and then you can scale it from there. The next year you can make $250,000. The next year $375,000. The next year $500,000. Next year start your own branch. Whatever you want to do. We can help you become a branch manager too if you want to open up your own branch one day. But this is the beginning on how to make $10,000 a month as a loan officer. You follow this process. And if you do this and you truly commit to it, now this is not an easy thing, just like you just look at this in 5 minutes and you think you're going to make it. It doesn't work like it. You're going to have to, just like anything else, whether you want to become a tennis player or you want to become a musician, you're going to have to work your ass off. Okay, so I don't want you to think that this is a get-rich-quick thing. No, you're going to have to work. If you think that this is something you're just going to sign up and play, you're going to play a game and make money, it doesn't work like that. It's not like that at all. You're going to have to work really, really hard to learn this industry, okay? So it is an uphill battle, but everything that you want great is uphill, okay? And you have to recondition your mind to embrace that and accept that. It's not going to be easy, but nothing is. But this industry is enduring. It's great because you're helping people to accomplish their financial goals. So if you want more information, call our office at 832-431-6331. Also, you can download all the links to Real Estate University below or get a copy of the book. And also, if we can help you with anything, let us know. Obviously, share all the information with the world. Subscribe to our channel. Push it out to everybody. And also, check out my next video.